So this is basically a lamp base I made some time back. So it's got a leather backing, a wooden base, and little metal edging. So what I did was I used some holders. So I took this out after our shifting. This has got a holder and wire attachment to make an electric lamp. This goes on top and we can fit it in to make it an electric lamp, or this can be just used as a base for battery operated candles or candles. So this is the attachment that is already fixed inside. I'm not happy with this black color, dark color. Initially I left it like that, but now I want to change it. So first thing, I'm giving it a nice clean, and then I'm going to paint it white with some gold touch to it. So I think I'll have to put multiple coats of white here. It's very dark in color, so it will take some multiple coats too. Now this is a piece of hardwood that I've cut to fit the size of the top. This also I'm going to paint with white color to go on top. So while all this is drying, let me remove this, and I have taken a A3 size paper. Now this is the other piece that I've thrifted. This is basically a scone lampshade that I thrifted for about $2.50. I remember these were quite in rage about a decade back, but now I don't think they're anymore in style. But still, I guess people use it. I bought it and cleaned it, but it still has a little bit of black thing here. It's kind of a little dark, so I have to fix that. And this is kind of frosted glass, so you can partially see through and partially is opaque. So I'm going to make a Christmas decor for the time being. So I'm taking a white A3 size sheet because this will circle it totally. I need some paper which can, overlap it totally. Go around it and overlap it. I lay it flat, and then I have with pencil I went onto internet and sketched a Christmas village silhouette, just so that you find it easy to see what I'm doing. I'm just going over with a yellow sketch pen because basically I'm going for a white and gold theme. So yellow is very close to gold, so I'm using a yellow sketch pen for that, and I'm just making the outline of my village, Christmas village here, so that I can erase off all the excess pencil marks from here so that I have a neat paper with me, or use the other side of the paper. Now while I was drawing, I made sure that the two bases are same here, so that when I overlap they look a continuous image. So I'm going to use a lot of patience and a pair of fine scissors and just cut my silhouette neatly out. Okay, before that I need to erase these extra pencil marks, otherwise it's going to look dirty or even confuse me while I'm cutting. That's one step I got in between. Today I'm joining Kay and Trish from Crafting Cousins and Sammy from Unicorn Dust Design for the road trip thrift flip challenge. I'll put links to both the channels and to the playlist for More thrift flip ideas down in my description box. So I've cut it out and I have to just roll it and go inside like this. And I realized that the yellow is looking really nice through the frosted glass. It looks very much golden. So therefore, instead of cutting these windows, I'm going to color them yellow. And one more thing, my silhouette is little too high because the church that I made is getting lost on the top. So I need to cut a little bit of extra paper from the base down below. So I'll cut this portion away. Paint my windows yellow. I'm going in just one strokes, uh, single stroke going just one direction because it will look more neat. So this also gives me the liberty to add more details if I want to. So once I realized that I can use yellow and it looks nice and golden with the frosted glass, I'm adding more details using my yellow color pen. Here I am cutting off the extra strip of paper from the base, and this is my silhouette, and this I shall just glue it inside. So just roll it like this and go in, and then just tape the edges. This is all dry, so I'm taking some gold paint and just doing this trim, and it's gold acrylic paint, so it's going to stay and also have a beautiful color. Now I said this portion has a little black color which doesn't look nice, it doesn't come out, so paint it gold, make it glam. Anyways, I'm going with the little golden touch here. And just at the neck, I'm going to paint even inside so that it looks like a metal neck for this lampshade. And because it's kind of not so clean, bit black, so I'm going to paint this also gold. So you see how the white and gold is looking here? Maybe a little rim right at the bottom. Now the base of my lamp is ready and dry. This wooden piece is also ready and dry. I can just drill a hole and attach my bulb holder here for the electric bulb fitting, or just glue it right on top of my base, and this can hold some real candles or battery operated candles, and just put the lampshade over it. Now to give it that festive holiday Christmas look, I took this bead string necklace and just I'm going to wind it around my lampshade. Wow, it just happens to be the perfect length. So we have the three strings of beads, red beads in the bottom, and then I took some fake false greenery that I had, and I'm going to stick it in between the three strings to give it a look of wreath. with red berries and greens around it. And the base looks so festive. I just love how this thing turned out. A simple, dark, dated lamp base now has turned into a gorgeous piece in white and gold. Even the frosted glass lampshade is looking so gorgeous with a touch of gold. The holiday colors have made it look really festive and cheerful, and I'm going to cherish it in my living room. This is a really quick thrift lift. I had thrifted a bag sometime back. I used the bag for a day or two and then I didn't like it. And so I cut the bag off and I saved the two handles. These are bamboo handles wrapped with cane. I love the handles. Maybe that's the reason why I bought the bag. But I took the bag off. I wish I had kept at least a picture of it, but no, that's not there. I'm going to use these handles. Now, this is a painting somebody painted and gifted us, but it's an oil painting, handmade, original one, but we never used it. I was thinking of getting it framed, but I was not sure what kind of frame. So I'm going to take it out and frame it using these two handles. So I'm just going to place my two handles, one on top, one on bottom, and just glue them there with the strong industrial glue so that it hangs pretty well. Sometimes going unconventional is the key. I think this painting would have not looked that great if I had used conventional framing method. These two handles from back have given this a new look, texture, dimensions. I think this is looking really beautiful. Thank you so much everybody. Have a blessed day. See you soon in my next video.